Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Reneé and Bartek. And today we are doing the TRAVIS KELCE hairstyle, football player and champion. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
So today we are inspired by TRAVIS KELCE.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So tell me, how did you discover the buzz cut?
My hair was in my way and I thought it was the easy solution, but also with style. So I made my mind and did it, and now I want to get the fade because it's a little rusty.
Yeah, I see. It will fit you very well. Can't wait.
Ja.
Du har også altid været selvforkældet på højt vand, ja. Så.
Okay. Og så skal jeg nu
Yes.
Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you push it 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links.
So now we comes to the styling, and I will give you a couple of pumps with the sidekick.
Sorry.
And then I think I will use the gold digger. A couple of pumps here.
Who ready? We ready, been ready. I waited, my turn, on God, hell steady. I keep dropping back to back.
Digger with an extreme hold and matte finish.
Motivation to you Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats, circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready, been ready, I waited, my turn, on God, held steady. I keep dropping back to back, I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty, I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start, I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli, after the confetti. Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who?
Alright, Bartek, how to like your new hairstyle?
It got chopped up, and I'm ready, and I recommend this place.
Reneé, you did a great job as always. And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next time.